I'm hungry. Hey Dripcess friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel and to my new subscribers, welcome. I'm Drip Princess and I upload fashion and lifestyle content.
Too hard and stand too close, you gon' fuck around and down. Off this way, doing all these shows. I've been on the road, I don't care where I go, long as I get paid. Bad little fire, she been on my mind. Soon as I get back, she get straight. Do this all the time, this ain't no surprise. Every other night another movie get mad. Too hard and stand too close, you gon' fuck around and down. Off this way, doing
Just got done getting ready. Yes, I have my outfit on. Wearing this shirt that says really her, these cute like flare pants, and then my spider bag. I did my makeup too. My hair is cute. So I'm about to head out and to go to my boyfriend's house. Today is Saturday and I'm staying over my boyfriend's house for the weekend. So I'm really excited for that. And we have like things planned. My friend and I were getting ready to go to the sea. So yeah, we made it out here in Philly. It actually feels pretty good outside. It's not too hot or it's not too cold. We just left out of Fashion District and we looked into Ulta, we looked into Spencer's. We're trying to look for a scenery to take pictures at. Okay, so yeah, we're heading back now and we just got done taking our pictures too. So we're about to head back and then I know we're gonna get something to eat too because I'm hungry. And yeah, but our pictures came out so cute. They came out so freaking cute. His pictures came out cute, my pictures came out cute, like so cute. But yeah, we're walking back now to the train.
I'm going right here.
Y'all look, it looks so good.
For how long?
Okay, so y'all, we're back in Jersey. We're currently in front of Tony Soprano's right now because we're about to get some pizza and wings. Y'all don't know, I have been wanting pizza and wings specifically to eat with my boyfriend, because my boyfriend and I, we've been working a lot, so we're kind of just getting back to like going out in a way, even though we do go out and that stuff, but like going out full day. So we're just currently waiting for our food right now, and yeah, that's what we're waiting on. I can't wait to have the wings with blue cheese, y'all. Yeah, it's definitely a vibe, y'all. Philly was so much fun. We took pictures, we walked around, yeah, it was fun. And yeah, so I'll see y'all when we back at my boyfriend's house. Okay, so y'all, I'm at skating right now. I'm at the holiday rink right now, and we're at the late night session. I tried recording this clip on my camera, but since it's like loud in here, it was like staticky. So I'm recording on my phone right now. But yeah, it's 1:59 right now, and this session is at 3, but we're probably gonna leave like in a minute or at 2:30. We'll see. But your girl did do some skating, and I am getting better at skating. But yeah, y'all. Hey y'all, so today is the next day, Sunday, and it's September 1st. It's 3:16. Later today, we're gonna do Just Dance. Okay.